You want that one?
No.
Okay guys, trying to put this plate with vegetables and eggs and protein and noodle in front of a kid to see if he'll eat. Comment below and let me know. So let's get cooking. I got some cabbage and onions and some carrots, garlic, and ramen noodles. Get you a pan. I like to keep everything in one pan. So get you a pot of water, 1 cup, and throw in your ramen. Well, no, don't cook the packet, just the noodle. So 2 packages, and bring it to boil. Flip it to get the other side soaked, and let all the noodles soaked up in the water and dried up, and there you go, all yummy. And it's, if you like me, pour you some sesame oil. It's really good for you. Take it off, put it aside, and in the same pan I have olive oil. Drizzle, and throw in your garlic. Smashed up your garlic and kick it around a little bit. And then you sweat your onions, because that's what makes you want to eat. This is the trick to get the kid to eat, is the onion. It's sweet. And when the onions is half done, throw in the rest of your vegetable. Very colorful, orange, red, purple, white, and white. And don't attempt to flip these around if you're not good. I was practicing, but it turned out to be pretty good. So put in some salt and sugar if you like, and a dash of low sodium soy sauce, and flip it around a little bit. I kind of like this, so I keep on flipping it. But it's not necessary to make this food yummy. Transfer your noodle back into the pan and give it a quick stir. Mix it up and add you a couple of tablespoons of sesame oil. Stir it up again. And there you have it, guys. Pour it out on the same plate. Less pans and pots to wash and less dish to wash. Let's see if he'll like to eat this. But wait, here I got 2 eggs, some salt, some sugar, and a dash of black pepper, and a dash of soy sauce. In a hot pan, drizzle some oil and add in your beaten eggs. Pour it out and try to make 1,000-layer egg. Well, that's not quite 1,000, but you know, about 10. I was not there to flip this wet eggs. I did it the original way, but hey, it worked just fine. So make sure it's all cooked and transfer it onto a cutting board and cut them up into bite sizes, and then just transfer the eggs onto your beautiful, yummy, colorful ramen noodles. There you have it, guys. Take a bite. Let me show you. So this does not have to be so unhealthy. It's yummy. I think he likes it, guys. This makes me happy. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channels, please do. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.